The Psychrometric Interactive Calculator determines all thermodynamic properties of moist air from just two known parameters. Let's explore the input fields. First, you'll see the drop-down menu labeled Select Input Parameters with 5 calculation modes: dry bulb temperature plus relative humidity, dry bulb temperature plus wet bulb temperature, dry bulb temperature plus dew point, dry bulb temperature plus humidity ratio, and dry bulb temperature plus enthalpy. For this demonstration, I'm using dry bulb temperature plus relative humidity. The calculator shows all possible input fields: dry bulb temperature in degrees Celsius, relative humidity as a percentage, wet bulb temperature in degrees Celsius, dew point in degrees Celsius, humidity ratio in kilograms per kilogram, enthalpy in kilojoules per kilogram, and atmospheric pressure in kilopascals. Here's a worked example. I'll enter 25 degrees Celsius for dry bulb temperature and 60% for relative humidity, keeping atmospheric pressure at 101.325 kilopascals. After clicking Calculate Properties, the results show wet bulb temperature is 4.76 degrees Celsius, dew point is 16.72 degrees Celsius, relative humidity confirms 60%, humidity ratio is 0.01189 kilograms per kilogram, specific volume is 0.8608 cubic meters per kilogram, enthalpy is 55.45 kilojoules per kilogram, and vapor pressure is 1.901 kilopascals. This comprehensive output provides everything needed for HVAC design and psychrometric analysis. Find the link in the description below.